Dear friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to use Hashcat to crack sorted hash password. As you know, Hashcat is the most powerful and advanced password recovery utility. Although I've already made a video to crack the password with Python, in many cases, we have to use more professional or more advanced password recovery utilities such as Hashcat and John the Ripper. Okay, so now without further ado, let's head over to Kali Linux. In that video, we utilize this exploit to get the sort value and also the username and encrypted password. Also, by this script, we can tell that how this password or encrypted password is generated. Okay, so yeah, okay, cross password. So, we'll calculate sort and the plain text, and then we'll do or conduct MD5 calculation. Okay, so how to use Hashcat? So while I'd like to mention again, Hashcat is very powerful because it even can support GPU, hardware-based decryption. And to use this Hashcat, we can, for example, let me use its Hashcat H option, and then you can get its usage. For example, the examples. So the attack mode, 0 means straight or dictionary-based attack, and then we need to specify the hash mode or hash type, okay, and then the hash value. And then, in the end, we need to specify the word list. In this video, I'd like to use rockyou as our word list to crack. Let's scroll up. So as you can see over here, even can support CPU, GPU, or FPGA. So this is the reason why it's called the advanced password recovery, because of its very high speed. Okay, and also can support brute forcing, and we can specify character set. And here is available modes or attack modes like straight. The other term for straight is dictionary-based attack, and combination. We can combine different word list and also brute force. Okay, but I think in many CTF-like machines, this mode would be the most common ones, okay? And also we can specify the debugging modes, but this is a very rare to use, okay? And also the features and, very long list supported by Hashcat. And I think you can get more detailed information about the hash examples, okay? Even we can get how to create hash file. For example, this should be the raw MD5, but this one involves sort value. So this will introduce difficulty of cracking, and the sort value will be put behind or after the password, okay? And as we know from the exploit or Python exploit, we know that how the password is created or generated. Yeah, this one. So concatenate sort and plain text, and then conduct MD5. So, okay. So I think so far we have to know the mode of hash type and then we can launch the Hashcat, and the attack mode is 0, and we can use -m or -m to specify hash mode or hash type. This case is 20, and then the hashes. Okay, and we can use the rockyou wordlist. We can press enter. Because I've already completed such cracking earlier, so the Hashcat will not go through this process again. However, we can use the show option to display, and its password is passion. Okay, so to quickly recap, in this video I explain why we need to use Hashcat in some scenarios, but more important part is to show you how to use or how to implement Hashcat for our purpose. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day, please.